Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Are you looking to customize the navigation bar on your Wix website? Your navigation bar is crucial, and for helping visitors find the content they are looking for, you have to make it clear and simple for them. In this tutorial, we will show you how to edit the navigation bar on Wix, including how to add, remove, and reorder pages, customize the design, and create drop-down menus. So let's dive in and make your navigation bar stand out. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first and first, I will need you guys to go ahead and click into the URL section which you'll have in your browsers. Then open wix.com as you can see here. Now let me just log out of my account so I can show you real quick how you can create your account and start with it. So this is the landing page that will open first when you actually first open your account or the page. So all you need to do is simply go and click on get started, and it will take you to the small page section which you'll have to either choose sign in or sign up. So it is completely up to you. I will continue using my Gmail account, so I will continue with Google. Let's do that. And from here guys, all I'm going to do is select Google and then wait for this page until it is fully loaded for me. So let's give it some time. It will not take that long for it to be actually loaded. So this is it. So it has been opened for me. So click on it. This is pretty easy as you can see here. Now let's give it some time, and this is the page where you have to create your own website. So let me just remove one of these websites. So move to trash, and let's go ahead and create a new site. Now here you have to answer some questions. So what kind of websites are you creating? So let's create, for example, a blog. Then click on next. And then here you have to choose the website name. So let's name it tutorial because this video is just a tutorial. Now next, and finally here there is some stuff that you want them to be in your website, so you can add them through here. For example, the blog has been built in. The chat, you can add it or remove it. The forms as well. Events, portfolio, music, video, Instagram feed, pricing plans, and much more. You can add whatever you'd like just by choosing it and picking it just like so. So for me, I'm just gonna keep it simple and click on next. Now, here you'll have to start up your website. So I will just click here to begin with the template, and here they will take me to like some template that they have here. I'm going to choose this one, and then I will click on edit as you can see. So now they are making the template for me. They are adjusting it so it fits what I have chosen in the previous steps. So just give it some time until it is fully loaded for you, and it will be ready for you right after that. So it has been perfectly done. So let's click here and let me just zoom in a little bit. So this is like the menu, and simply if you'd like to edit this navigation menu, all you have to do is click on it first and then go ahead and click on manage menu. Here you will find the site pages and the menu. So homepage, here it is. As you can see, here there is homepage, my blog, about, and contact, and they are all here. So if you'd like to change anything, for example, you like to rename this, you can just rename it, for example, to news. And as you can see, it has been adjusted to news. We can add, for example, a drop down menu. So for example, news, here I'm going to add a sub page, which is, let me just remove this and add a new page. So blank page for now. And this one is going to be sports. And basically this one is going to be a sub page for news. We can add multiple chat, like sub page. So let's add a new one, black page. And here I'm going to make it, for example, artists or music or whatever it is. And as you can see, they have been added as sub menus over here. So let's continue with doing something else in this navigation bar. So here you can find the blog pages which are connected to our new pages at the moment. As you can see, they have the same logo, so they are both connected to the same page. So in case you'd like to add more pages, you just have to go here and manage menu and go to blog pages and add, or go to settings to edit whatever you'd like from here. So at the moment, these are like some information about this page and much more stuff that you can go by your own and edit it later on. So this is for news. This is how news is gonna be looking like for you, news in the search engine, I mean. And yeah, so now let's try to edit this. So what you can do to actually edit it, you can manage these columns, and from there you can make them, for example, choose whether which one you'd like to edit, and then you can, for example, add another column, edit it, and much more. So let's try to add something like that here. So this is like a background in this navigation bar. You can also add a color, solid color, not really like an image. And also you can add a video, which is something really cool to have in your navigation bar if you actually chosen the good video, like the right video to use here. It's gonna add like a really good effect. For example, video of water walk going around, or sparkles or something like that. It's really going to give some life and vibe into the navigation bar. Now this navigation bar, as you can see, you can actually copy it and paste it and put it wherever you like in the website itself. So it is 100% adjustable. You can move it, make it horizontal, add animation into it. As you can see, you can even stretch it for width, or like let me just remove this, design it as you like with the actual font, custom design. Here you can add a fair color, add the corners to it. As you can see here, let me just add some corners, so two, and we can add here shadow if you'd like to. This is the correct angle, distance, size. Yeah, you can just go through it and add shadows. Here the text, you can add it. So it is completely adjustable. As you can see, there is nothing that you can't adjust in Wix website, which is the best thing in it. So literally you can adjust even like this bar of social medias, this search. So yeah guys, this is completely it with this video. If you had any questions, any errors during this video, if you followed my video step by step as I said in the beginning, you will not have any errors. But anyway, just if you, in case you had any errors, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer your comments, or if it was hard to answer you by writing it, I will make a whole video about the error that you have faced. So yeah guys, thanks you for staying until this moment, and see you guys in the next video.